Hello friends, myself Alisha welcome you all back to my channel Alisha's Art. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you how I graft two different varieties of hibiscus using the method of simple splice grafting. So without any further delay, let's get started. In this pot, I planted a hybrid hibiscus plant that I bought from nursery, and later on I collected 3 cuttings of a local hibiscus variety and planted them here. These are the 3 cuttings. The cuttings have grown successfully, and now I am going to graft both these varieties together so that 2 different types of flowers will bloom on a single plant. I am going to join these 2 plants together through grafting, and you will see how I do it. At the very beginning, I sterilized all the equipments that I was about to use for grafting. I'm cutting out these leaves so that you can visualize the whole process without any disturbances. Now I'm going to make a 3 to 4 inches long cut on the surface of the stem of both the plants to expose the vascular cambium tissue. I shall now join these two parts together so that their cambium tissues come in contact with each other and over the time joins to become a single plant. Tie the joint part just tight enough to keep both the parts in contact with each other. Do not pull it too tight or too loose. So friends, grafting is done. I will put this pot in partial shade and after about 35 days, the result can be seen. Well friends, it's really easy. If you want, you can give it a try. If the graft succeeds, then I will cut this plant here, exactly at this position, and then I will get a plant with two different variety of flowers. And regarding the local variety, this will become another individual plant that I will repot in another pot. So that's it for today friends. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care everyone. Stay safe, stay happy, care for Mother Nature. Live and let live. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.